guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how easy it is to add makeup to your videos on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select a video. By the way, she doesn't need makeup, but this is just an example. I would not use my own video because I don't look as pretty as her, but we are just going to select this video and we are just going to select enhance, and we're going to select the makeup one, and I'm just going to kind of go here to see. We have this set which adds in makeup to her eyes and also her lips, and just basically her eyelashes, eyeshadow, and also lipstick, and you can also adjust the opacity of it as well. But if you want to add in makeup one by one, just like the eyelashes for instance, you can do that, and you can again adjust it here, and you can add in just a little bit of eyeshadow and just pick between these ones like so, and then lipstick as well. Also sorry about my voice, but I'm a little bit sick, so yeah. And that is basically it. It will be applied to the whole video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!